Thanksgiving week, Turkey week. Today I'm going to be using this sheet from Christian Design Celebration collection and a few Tombow markers and Prismacolors, washi and stamps. So let's get started. The first thing I like to do is place my large washi so I know what colors would coordinate with this spread. So I'm going to place this down right there. I'm now using my palette knife to cut my washi. For the top, I'm going to use one of these. And then I'm laying a scrap piece of paper under and going over the borders with a brown Tombow marker. This is 879. I'm first gonna do my stamping, so if I mess up something else, I can always go and cover it with my stickers. Got this stamp, which I'm gonna just mount on this clear block. But I want to make him a turkey, so I'm going to use the sticky notes to kind of mask off his tail, and that way I can stamp just his body while adding the tail later on using my black StazOn ink. So he doesn't have a butt yet. I'm just going to complete that. Outline it with my Tombows and then go in there with my Prismacolor. Never leave your characters floating, so always give it some sort of ground or something to stand on. I use my Jelly Roll pens to highlight. I like how it turned out. My next step is going to be adding stickers. It's a good thing that I didn't mess up the page, so I don't really need to correct anything, but I'm going to use this strip right here as washi. Thursday is Thanksgiving. Just 2 days in the week I'm working, which is rather nice. I'm going to use the Gather Together strip to mark off the days I'm on leave. Weekend should have been a little higher. To fill out Christian Design stickers, it's better to use the Sharpie Ultrafine Point because these are slick and smooth, so they can smudge. Hard card for shadow is going to be a monthly occurrence. I'm just going to move this to the next month. I'm going to use some of these checklists from the sticker book from Manby. This is the seasonal sticker book. And need to plan to-do lists because you always have a ton of stuff to do. And from the Happy Planner Gold Star sticker book, I'm going to use some stickers. And now to fill up my regular week. It's complete once you put a bow on it. Let me know how your Thanksgiving goes. What are your family traditions for Thanksgiving if you celebrate? And I'd love to hear from you. Bye!